So here the concept that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is ever present and caring is indeed a source of solace and comfort. We believers are encouraged to turn to Allah in times of stress, difficulties or any other circumstances. Trusting in Allah's wisdom, trusting in Allah's mercy and His guidance can help in alleviating stress and provide a sense of peace. In Quran, it's mentioned that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. Allah says, for indeed with hardship will be ease. And also there is a hadith where our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, if you ask to Allah the Almighty and if you seek help from Allah the Almighty, know that if the nation were to gather together to benefit you with anything, it would benefit you only with something that Allah the Almighty had already prescribed for you, and that if they gathered together to harm you with anything, they would harm you only with something Allah the Almighty had already prescribed for you. The pins have been lifted and the pieces are dry. These teachings emphasize the idea that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is in control of all affairs, and believers are encouraged to place their trust in Him. When they are faced with stress and challenges, turn to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through prayer, supplication and seeking His guidance can be a means of finding relief. It's very important for every individual to manage stress in a holistic way, which may include spiritual practices, seeking support from loved ones and addressing practical aspects of life. Trusting in Allah's presence and wisdom can serve as a foundation for resilience and a source of inner peace.